Hey everyone, figure I'll make this real quick video or episode on something that caught my attention this week. So I was scrolling through YouTube recently, and I'm pretty much up to date on a lot of the news out there in the world. And I am subscribed to this one news station, and the thing that caught my eye was somebody that owned a credit repair company recently got arrested. And I'm gonna play the video here in a second, but just a brief detail about this situation here. A lot of people, and I shared the video, and a lot of people reached out, was like, hey, is credit repair a legal thing? And a lot of people freaked out before they even listened to the video or read the article. So what this person was doing, and based on my research on this person's website, I did see a few violations, which I'll go through here in a second. But the main thing that this person was doing was having people file police reports, or maybe she was filing the police reports to get things deleted off her customer's credit report. That is 100% illegal. First of all, filing a false police report is illegal itself. You're getting arrested. But secondly, what they're doing is filing these police reports. It is what you call a credit sweep. It is 100% illegal. You should not be doing that. These people are filing police reports claiming that everything on their credit is identity theft, when they know good and well they apply for all of these accounts that they're stating is identity theft. So apparently this lady was caught with like 133 false police reports, and she's going to be in some serious trouble. So let's play the video here.
Harris County Precinct 4 investigators say they have uncovered a $3 million credit repair scheme happening here in Houston. They say the woman behind it was using falsified police reports to help get her clients better credit. Janelle Bluda has a look at the allegations.
In handcuffs and an orange jumpsuit, 29-year-old Rokisha Brisby was led in front of a judge today.
More and more folks are coming forward that have used her to try to fix their credit.
After being arrested Friday for what investigators call a multi-million-dollar credit repair scheme.
She went in.
So this lady or young lady, 29 years old, she have made multiple millions of dollars doing this, and I bet so. And I argue this all the time. People reach out to these credit repair companies, not all, but some, and their first thing is how much or how quick. And if you don't tell them what they want to hear, they move on. So the bad thing is all of the legit credit repair companies like Sturgis Credit Repair and many others out there that is in compliant with the Credit Repair Organization Act, FTC, all of these requirements. These people these days, they get mad at them for doing the right thing. If you're not scamming people or advertising some fake results and selling fake promises, then they don't even want to care to talk to you. And it's sad because you're about to give somebody all of your personal information to do something illegal just so you can get quick results that's going to go right back in your credit report. So I preach this all the time, that people need to start paying attention and actually do their research before they hire some of these people, ask them what they're doing, etc.
Basically would manipulate police reports.
Court documents linked to Brisby's social media. Her website says your credit won't fix itself.
Now, based on her website, I mean, her website is pretty clean. I went through it myself. Now, some of the violations that I did see, I see that she is charging upfront fees, which is a violation in the Credit Repair Organizations Act. Now, that is based on each state. It is different. However, majority of the time, you cannot charge people upfront fees to get started with credit repair. So, for example, if a customer came to me today and said they want me to work on their credit, I can't say, okay, $500, $200, $1,000 before I even do anything or before looking at their credit report. So a lot of people are getting away with this service fee or credit report fee, and it's hundreds of dollars. which is still going to the credit repair company. So Sturgis Credit Repair do have a first free month trial. We don't charge any money up front to get started. We literally collect $0. Most of your bigger companies out there like Lexington Law, creditrepair.com, all of these other major companies, they offer a free trial period because they do not want to charge upfront fees before anyone even see their customer's credit report. So just keep that in mind when you're researching.
She used my front page of the police report with my name on it.
But Precinct 4 Constable Mark Herman says it was under the guise of that business, Rose Credit Repair, where he says she would commit illegal activity falsifying police reports to increase her clients' credit scores.
Well, she submitted police reports on these folks' behalf saying that the monies that were spent were fraud or stolen, and this is the police report to prove it.
An alleged scheme the constable says actually worked.
Many of these financial institutions basically reverse the credit for these people.
So when he say reverse the credit, whenever you send in a police report to the credit bureaus, they're instantly going to delete that information. However, once the investigation is done, they're going to determine if the information remains deleted or goes back on that consumer's credit report. So yes, police reports automatically delete stuff off of your credit, but it's not fixing your credit. It's going to go right back on if the investigation comes back that the account is actually owed by you, which is just, not how credit repair really works.
That did make their credit scores, better because they had a police report on file.
Until Herman says one of those institutions reached out to his office with questions.
We noticed that the case numbers did not correspond with our current case number system.
He says that led to a lengthy investigation where they discovered 133 falsified police reports from his department alone. And Herman says there's evidence she used reports from other agencies as well.
FBI is involved with us. We flagged many of her bank accounts, and we'll be able to see exactly how much money she made off customers.
In Houston, Janelle Blue to KHOU 11 News.
We don't think.
So that all goes back. Before you hire any credit repair service that's out there, first thing you want to do is stop asking how much or how quick can you fix my credit. And that thing is quick about fixing your credit. Secondly, you want to actually make sure they're a legit business, which in her case, it does look like she was a registered business in Houston, Texas, LLC. I haven't really done my research, but just based on her website, her image, and her social media pages, looks like she had a pretty legit business going, and it would have been, going really well for her. Credit repair is a real easy industry to get into, as far as just doing the right thing. Now, she probably have killed her business by now and put a real bad name out for credit repair companies out there because she decided to do something illegally. So you want to make sure they're a legit business. Secondly, reach out to them, say, hey, or research their website, find out how their process work, how long, they're usually taken to working your credit. By now, if you watch our episodes, you understand that it takes 30 days for your credit report to update and for the bureaus to respond to the investigations. So if they're saying anything, oh, we can fix your credit in 1 week or 1 month or something crazy like that, it's not legit. Secondly, if they're promising you results, you need to stay away. No one can promise you results. If I go out and run over a police officer in my car, I get arrested, get bonded out, just because I hire a lawyer doesn't mean I'm not going to get sentenced to jail or that lawyer is going to be able to give me less jail time. That lawyer is just using his experience with the law to help me get a lighter jail sentence or prove me not guilty in court. That doesn't mean I'm automatically going to walk away as a free man because I hired a lawyer. Same thing with credit repair. You can go out and mess up your credit, but if you go out and hire a credit repair company, that does not mean your credit is going to get fixed. You're just paying them because you don't have time or have the knowledge to do some of this stuff yourself. It's almost like going to a restaurant. You know, people go to McDonald's every morning because they don't have time to make their own coffee and breakfast. Therefore, they pay McDonald's. Although they can do all of this stuff themselves at home, they just don't want to or have time to. So, make sure they're not charging money up front. So if they're charging anything like hundreds of dollars up front or $1,000 for some 6 or 12-month plan, stay far away. You don't want to pay anybody up front. And then, you know, I guess just double check, keep asking them how the process work, what methods do they take to get some of these things removed, and just do your own research. Read some of the reviews, check out their social media pages, Google page, website, if the website looks legit, see if they gotten any type of awards online or something like that. So there's so many things you can do to make sure you're actually signing up for a legit credit repair service and staying away from some of those bad services out there. So in her defense, I can blame her 100%, but in her situation, it's a 50-50 blame game there, because there's no way her clients did not know they had a fake police report in their name to get all of this stuff removed. So it's kind of too early to judge. She was just the one that owns the company, therefore she got caught doing the stuff. However, once the police are done with their investigations, I'm sure some of these clients filed the fake police reports themselves as well. So there's definitely going to be more people who are going to be tied into this case here. So if you have any questions about signing up for any credit repair service, doesn't matter if it's Sturgis Credit Repair or somebody else, I would be more than happy to help you sign up for that service. So if you have any more questions, as always, just let me know, and thank you for watching or listening to this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.